I don't even know where to start. Is this supposed to be funny or sarcastic, or am I really sitting down to tell my sob story? That sounds so uncomfortable. Like, I don't know. I guess that's exactly what it is. From day one, my life was laid out to be a disaster. It didn't really matter what I tried to distract myself with. Pageantry, sports, friends, school, drama, singing lessons, dance lessons, clubs. It was useless. There was impending doom right around the corner at all times. And I never let it go unheard. Still, to this day, right now, as I'm recording this, I am literally telling a bunch of people my problems. Is it for pity? No, I hate that. Is it so someone can finally look me in the eyes and say, I understand you? No, I don't need that. Or maybe, like my mother never failed to say, I'm just the girl who cried wolf, constantly wanting more and more attention, gobbling it up after every single person who falls victim to my tales of sorrow, hoping that maybe they'll feel bad for me, maybe they'll help me. I don't know. I'm not really ready to face that reality. What worries me the most is that I tried to keep it in, but then when I eventually met new people and they asked me questions about myself, past the initial, what's your favorite color, favorite ice cream, favorite animal, I don't know. I didn't really have an answer, or at least not an answer that didn't revolve around one of my big scary traumas. I'm scared because I don't want that to be all I am. I don't want to be a sad, sensitive baby who cries anytime a song comes on or anytime you bring up something, even if it has nothing to do with me. And on the other hand, I don't want to be some big, mean, scary lady who never lets anybody in and is hard as a rock on the outside. I don't know. It feels like those are my only options. And there's never a middle ground. If there is, it's always something that other people have to tell me about, never something I can think of on my own, because these traumas are the only things I know, literally the only things I can see. Even when my friends try to be positive, I always end up sinking back down into my mommy daddy issues, my big fat victim complex, my inability to take care of myself, my hero complex, my anxiety, my borderline manic episodes. They're the only things that surround me. And unfortunately, I found comfort in them. So much so to where I don't want help anymore. It's so much easier to just sit where I am and sorrow about everything that I've gone through, because working through it is too hard. Explaining it to people is too hard. And then there comes a sense of guilt and judgment when I do open up, because I don't know. I know that I have to get out of that, and if all else fails, at least I won't be the girl who cried wolf.